Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Binance Reward Hub points. Easy method. Open Binance, go to Reward Hub, and start with daily check-ins and simple tasks to build points fast. Focus on low-effort activities like viewing offers, completing surveys, and claiming spins. Track progress inside the Reward Hub so you never miss bonuses or limited promotions. Use referrals and small staking amounts strategically to multiply your point earnings over time. Start with daily check-ins and small routine tasks to create consistent point income in the Reward Hub. Prioritize time-limited promotions and claim them immediately to avoid missing bonuses. Use referral incentives when possible, and confirm the referee completes required steps so both earn points. Combine low-risk staking or simple purchases only when reward multipliers make sense. Regularly check the hub to stack rewards efficiently over weeks and months. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides, tutorials, and strategy notes while commuting or waiting for promotions to drop. It's compact, bright, and holds thousands of strategy notes for easy reference during breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on stacking offers that apply to the same action so you earn more points per task. Monitor each promotion's expiration time and redeem rewards promptly to preserve value. Avoid overcommitting funds for small incremental gains unless multipliers justify the stake. Keep a simple checklist of repeating tasks and high-value limited events to streamline your routine. Small, consistent actions compound over time and turn minimal effort into steady Reward Hub growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.